Hello friends, welcome back to new video. Look at that friends, lot of car and all car is different. So look friends, wow, this is truck loader car, fire service, tanker, bullet train, lot of different car and color also different. So let's see one by one. Wow, first one is double-decker bus. Just a look friends. This is double-decker bus. Okay, then let's see next one is city bus. It's a red color. Then police school bus. This is white color. Oh, this is back side and this is front side. Wow, look at that. Just look friends. Wow, this is battle tank. Car. Wow, just look friends. Is rolling. Wow. So let's see next one is mixer truck. This is for construction. Wow, look at that friends. Is mixer truck. It is mixer truck and then blue color city bus. Oh. City bus. Wow, look at that friends. Helicopter. This is black and blue color helicopter. And then this is truck excavator. Wow, yellow color. And then wow, McQueen. Wow.
We need to loosen those ancient joints. First, the wheels. And forward. And rest. And forward. And rest. Join me. Rest.
Red color McQueen. Okay. And then this is, well, fire service car. Just look front side. Wow. And then this one also fire service car. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's see next one is wow, fire engine, red color. Wow. awesome. And then this one is monster dump truck. Okay, and this one is yellow color city bus. Wow, this is air bus. Wow, this is small container car. Wow, this is sports car. Wow, red color luxury bus. And then also green color luxury bus. Let's see, next one is fire service car. Wow, this is for construction truck crane. Wow, color is awesome. Okay, let's see, next one is wow, train head. This is train engine. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is yellow color loader car. Just look. And then this one is wow, car loader. And then last one is bullet train. Wow, red color. And all is finished. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.